Music. Want a higher credit score? This Boost My Score review reveals how. Check the description for links. Boost My Score helps you quickly improve your credit using authorized user trade lines. Perfect if you need a credit boost to buy a house, get a loan, or snag a better credit card. Here's the deal: Boost My Score adds you as an authorized user to established credit accounts with excellent payment histories. This positive history appears on your report, boosting your score. It's legal and effective. Boost My Score offers personalized consultations. Experts help you choose trade lines that match your goals, whether you need a specific point increase or to meet lender requirements. They also give you a clear timeline for results, usually within 1 to 2 billing cycles. Boost My Score is great for thin credit files, people rebuilding credit, or anyone needing fast improvement. While it delivers a strong boost, it works best with responsible habits like on-time payments and debt reduction. Ready for a fast, effective credit boost? Check the links below to learn more about Boost My Score. Take charge of your credit and achieve your financial dreams.